Hey everybody, John Skiba here from the Consumer Warrior YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to share with you 3 things that's going to make your bankruptcy a whole lot stressful. But if this is your first time here to my YouTube channel, please click subscribe, check on that little bell, that way you'll be notified each and every week when I put out new videos that'll help you deal with your serious debt problem. All right, I am a bankruptcy attorney and I work in the deserts of Arizona, but today I'm here. I'm up in my hometown in Springville, Utah, Hobble Creek Canyon, and dealing with the snow. So I thought I'd do a couple of videos, do a little bit of outdoor live reality type stuff. And in this video, I'm going to talk about 3 things that are going to make the bankruptcy process a whole lot less stressful if you're thinking you need to go through that in the near future. The first one is communication. You need to communicate with your lawyer. You need to be prepared to disclose everything. If there's anything that's concerning you, anything that you think you might need to disclose, you need to make sure you disclose it. The worst thing that can happen as a bankruptcy attorney is when I file a bankruptcy case and then I hear about an asset or about a transaction for the very first time after the case has already been filed. So make sure that you communicate thoroughly. If your attorney's asking for information and asking you questions and having you fill out forms, make sure that you do so completely. Provide all that information. In most situations, things can be worked through, even if there's complications, if the attorney knows ahead of time. So make sure that you're communicating often and thoroughly. Disclose. That needs to be your mantra as you're going through this process. So that's the first thing that's going to help reduce a lot of the stress as you're going through this process. The second thing is you need to be prepared for a lot of tedious paperwork. The typical Chapter 7 bankruptcy filing is about 100 pages long. It's full of tons of information relating to income and assets and your creditors and financial transactions. And as a bankruptcy attorney, I'm required to get things like 6 months of bank statements, 6 months of pay stubs, tax returns, all kinds of receipts. You need to be prepared to provide that information and those documents in a timely manner. If you don't, it's going to delay your case and can cause you problems in the long run. Now, the third thing that you can need to do to be able to have less stress as you go through this bankruptcy process, and this one's going to seem like a minor thing, but in today's world, I'm seeing it be less and less of a thing, and that is to regularly check your mail. As weird as that sounds, the bankruptcy court does everything through the mail. They don't do service of process with like a process server. They send you copies of things through your mail. So check your mail on a daily basis while you're going through the bankruptcy process to make sure that you're receiving all the information you need from your bankruptcy trustee and from the court and even from your attorney as you're going through the process. So hopefully that's helpful. As I stated before, I am a bankruptcy attorney in the state of Arizona, despite the snowy background that I'm in right now. If you need help, I do a free consultation. My information is below. I'd be happy to help you go through that process. Thanks for watching today.